Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your player name on the Street Fighter 6 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Street Fighter 6 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page from which you can choose from various different game modes. Now, if you wish to change the player name that you are using within your game, in order to do this, tap on the tab button within your keyboard to end up within the multi-menu. From here, click on Options, and now underneath the game settings, you will see the Change Name option. Go ahead and click on it, and you can now type in your desired name. Just click on the given box, and then type in your desired username, and click on the Confirm button. Once you click on this, your name will be changed right away, and you can come back into this page and change your name in the future as well, as many times as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Street Fighter 6 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.